Welcome back, welcome back. It's the DMV Wigs Doctor, honey. Located in Bowie, Maryland. And before we have a beautiful hair loss warrior, she is going to be getting a beautiful transformation today. Hallelujah. And right now, as you can see, we already put forth our different protective gear on our client, net. And we've already placed the frontal. She did a glueless frontal installation. And, all right. Yes, honey, that's what I'm talking about. See, you need to come on down to the weave doctor and stop getting those cheap weaves, baby. There's many imitators, but only one originator, okay? So come on down to the DMV Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Book now at mainattractionshair.com at DMV Weave.